Hi, my name is Alyssa Sadri, and I am running for head of Assemblies. If I am elected for office, my goals for this school are to maintain a supportive environment and to unite the student body and also increase school spirit. I think these are important aspects for the school because they will make going to school more fun for students and keep the hallways positive. Leadership qualities I have that will help me with this position are I am organized and I'm also good at planning ahead. And that is very important because in Stuco we are often crammed, and so it's important to schedule out things so that way you know when you're doing what and when you're working with just your crew or when you're working with Stuco as a whole. And so by being able to look ahead and see when we're planning scripts versus decorating hallways versus working on ideas for dances, being able to do that will keep everything flowing well. And another quality I possess is I love working with a team, and this is important because if you want people to be able to collaborate, to come up with good ideas for things and be more creative, a team's important so that way you can hear multiple perspectives. Things I am involved in within the school are I am captain of the girls' tennis team, and that has prepared me because it has helped me learn to listen to people more. And this will be important when planning assemblies because I can learn what people like and dislike. For example, I know that our neon assembly from last year was a huge hit, and so I know that next year it will be a good idea to bring that back and continue adding glow sticks to throwing in the audience as well as beads and candy.